Hey guys, मी कति बजे धेरै कति बजे चाहिँ 100 भएको हामीले
हामी यो र म त अस्ति भेटेको
थियो
अनि यो र म चाहिँ 2 वर्षपछि भेटेको
मलाई धेरै पछि भेटिहाल्छ
Guys, this is my college and my journey starts here. She is my roommate. So I'm going finally, guys, and hopefully I'll reach home
safe and sound. Happy journey to her. I have
and
nothing
to
to
you
say.
also. Happy journey. Bye bye. Guys, update is that like we are in the middle of the road and that's our bus.
It's freezing cold.
Actually is.
Look like boys.
It's so freezing and it's almost 11:30, right? Yeah, and
At night.
yeah, and I was kind of feeling vomiting. We both were kind of feeling vomiting, but now that we are out of the bus, we feel nice. I hope like
I am hoping
just what?
just staying okay for the rest of the night.
Yeah, I
And
also
don't
hope.
die.
Yeah, same. You won't die, we won't die. Okay, bye, peace. I've reached the station, Kolkata Chitpur station. I'm going to one hotel so that I can get freshen up and all that. So yeah, I'm heading towards there. And it's so cold in Kolkata. I did not even expect this much cold. I was like literally shivering in the bus yesterday. The whole night I couldn't sleep. So yeah, I don't have my winter clothes, like more winter clothes outside. I have them in the bag, but I don't want to take it out. I'm all alone and feels good and bad at the same time. Good in the sense that I'm alone, bad in the sense that I have to fucking carry this whole luggage and all this bag by myself alone. So yeah, perks of traveling alone as well as cons. So guys, I came to the station after resting for a while in a restaurant. I came like 2.5 hours early because I was bored there as well, and I did not like want to sit idle there. So I just came to the station and it's like this. It's very crowded and people are just running here and there. I look like a fucking roasted bean with this hoodie, but it is what it is. And hopefully I will reach home tomorrow afternoon, because from the Gorakhpur also I'll have to take a taxi or bus to the border, and then from there I need to travel for 1 more hour to reach my home. Long journey, and I am just regretting my decision to come through train. But anyways, hopefully everything goes right and good for me. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. See you later.
ये भी ज्वाइन कर लिया कैसे करते हैं
मणिग्राम का हो हाँ तो मणिग्राम है
गाँव में लाए ने. So hi guys, I'm घर पुगे finally, and I got freshened up and everything. I ate food, and this is me and my parents. Mommy condition cute. Yeah, that's all. Bye bye.